We're at 7807 Bell Tower Lane, Union City / Fairburn, Georgia. It's a move out. I was in the area, I came by. Garage door was open. The back window was open. It smells like death in here. There's some food and stuff. Outside is good. No real issues with the outside. Siding, roof all looks good. There is one thing, there's a huge wasp nest. I've never seen one that big. Alright, we're going in. Entryway. Door's okay. Doorknob, hole and wall behind front door. Okay, here we go. Holes in the wall. Living room. More holes in the wall, some marks in the wall. It's tough to tell with the carpet. It's dirty, it's covered with stuff. Okay, living room. There's no power. Sorry about the lights. There are marks on the wall. Carpeting is rough shape, but it's tough to tell. It's just covered. And this room is just basically marks in the wall, holes in the wall. All the walls are pretty much holes and marks, but nothing too crazy. Here's the kitchen. Counters. It's a little dirty. Fridge. It's the bathroom to the lower level. It's dirty. Here's the pantry. Flies and food. What I can tell, the walls look good. Floor looks good. And the floor looks good in the kitchen from what I can see. Coat closet. I'm sure it has some marks in there. Here's the stairs going up. Some marks on the wall. Handrail's dirty. Carpeting is stained on the stairs. Disaster. Here's the master. I had these things, looks like the bed was on them. Some sort of powder in each one of them. Now that powder's everywhere. Marks on the wall. There's holes in the wall from pictures and such. Here's the bathroom. It's a disaster. Countertop. Shower. I can't tell if it's clean or dirty. I just know there's holes in the walls and marks on the walls. It's dirty. That's the master. Master disaster. Okay. That's the bathroom. Here's the laundry room. From what I can tell, the floors look okay. There's a couple marks in the wall, holes in the wall. Floor looks okay. Here's another bedroom. There's going to be holes in that wall where that is. Marks in the wall. Here's the closet. Did something to the window. But there's those things. And then there's more of them. Then there's curtains that they put up, like lag bolts, more holes in the wall. Okay, hallway, stains on this wall. Next bedroom. I'm sure the closet door is messed up because that's on it. There's marks on the wall. It's like a repair or something. Excuse me. Marks on the wall, holes in the wall. It's a disaster. closet, obviously filled with personal belongings. Whole closet. Marks on the wall, holes in the wall, more custom drapery, holes in the wall. Marks on the closet door. Actually, what door is that? It's this room's door. And we're going back down the stairs. Another sweeping view of this. Cabinets filled with stuff. Here's the garage. Flies. This is what they left in the garage. It's bad. I think that was the culprit of all the smell. Okay. There's a vent hood, but we've got a microwave in that place now, so I don't know if they switch it out and they put that in there. Marks on the wall, marks on the ceiling. To sum it up, marks on most walls, holes on most walls, carpeting is stained throughout. Of course it smells. Thank you.